Hi, gorgeous. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, what can I do to bring out that natural glow? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share 5 quick and simple tips to help you get glowing, radiant skin in no time. And guess what? These tips don't require fancy products or endless hours of effort. They're easy, practical, and effective. Let's glow together, shall we? First things first, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drinking enough water might sound like a cliche, but trust me, it works wonders for your skin. A few months ago, I challenged myself to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. And wow, the difference was unbelievable. My skin started looking plumper, and that dullness, gone. So start small, maybe carry a cute water bottle around with you. It's a simple step, but it's the foundation of glowing skin. Next up, cleansing. Keeping your skin clean is like giving it a fresh start every day. But here's the trick. Use a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip your skin. I used to over-cleanse, thinking that was the key to clear skin, but it only made my face feel dry and tight. Now I focus on balance, cleansing twice a day, morning and night, to remove dirt and oil. Trust me, your skin will thank you. You've probably heard this before. You are what you eat. Adding more fruits and veggies to your diet can seriously transform your skin. For me, swapping out junk food for fresh snacks like berries and nuts made a huge difference. Think of it as feeding your glow from the inside out. Plus, who doesn't love a good smoothie? This one's a game changer, sunscreen. It's not just for beach days. UV rays are everywhere, every day. When I started using sunscreen consistently, not only did my skin feel protected, but I also noticed fewer dark spots and more even skin tone. So don't skip it, even if you're staying indoors. Last but definitely not least, self-care. Stress shows up on your skin, whether it's through breakouts, dullness, or fatigue. Taking just 10 minutes for yourself can make a huge difference. Personally, I love putting on a face mask, lighting a candle, and just relaxing. Remember, glowing skin comes from a glowing spirit. And there you have it, 5 simple steps to get that radiant, glowing skin you've always wanted. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about feeling good in your own skin. So start today and let your confidence shine as bright as your glow. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and let me know your favorite skincare hack in the comments below. See you next time, beautiful!